took the intake manifold off. I took all the accessories off the side and exhaust manifolds off. But I guess I'll make a short video on, I don't know, me disassembling the motor. So stick with me and we'll get this thing torn apart. I'm going to start by taking all this stuff apart. So I just decided to put the head mount on, and we'll just do it that way. So here we go. Let's take the tensioner off. Bam. Tensioner. Put that down. And we'll take the valve cover off. I already took the bolts out of this, so. Cam gears. I already loosened these too. Just if you're wondering. This little keeper. Then I'll switch to a 10. Just got antifreeze all over my phone. Oh well. Oh, that's nasty. Alright, so here we go. Should probably pull this off first. So I'll take these off and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I am going to take the head off. Actually, I'm going to start. I'm going to start from here. Why? Man, that was hard. So I didn't record loosening those head studs because that's kind of a boring process. Yeah. And doesn't look too bad. All right, oil pan. If I haven't informed you guys yet, this motor I think, spun a rod bearing. I don't know, not 100% sure, but I guess we'll find out in a few minutes. Oh no. And I am hopefully going to send this block to get CSS. I have to order pistons and rods first. I'm going to get it bored over to 20 over. And then hopefully boost it. I am going to boost it. I'm going to stop saying hopefully because it needs to be done. So, put these down. Voila. Ooh. Yep. Definitely chewed up something. Oh, yep, definitely spun a rod bearing. So I think I figured out why this was knocking. God, that sucks. Alright, well, let's continue tearing it apart. There we go. That worked. I know it has dowels. Voila. That's off. That doesn't look too bad. I realized that I don't have any footage from after taking off the main caps and girdle. And that's kind of a problem because, I mean, this thing is completely butched. Completely torn apart. And the head is completely taken apart. Got the cams, the rockers, cam caps. The LMAs are out. I'm changing those out for some Skunk 2 LMAs. Then the head is completely disassembled. What else? Oh, yeah. So it did, in fact, spin a rod bearing, and if you can see that, that journal is toast. It's pretty shitty. But I did already order all my pistons, my rods, main bearings, rod bearings. I did order a new oil pump, and I did get another crank. So the next video is probably going to be me packaging up this to go to CSS. I already have the box and the wrap and the little pink insulation stuff to go in the box and everything, but I also have to send out my pistons. So there's going to be a little bit of time where I don't have really anything to do because I'll be waiting for stuff to come back. And then the next thing I need to order is all my head parts, so my valves, my valve springs, LMAs, cams, cam gears, head studs, and just the random things that I'm gonna need for that. So the seals, like the cam seals, the little O-ring and thing that goes in here, which is the middle cam cap, like VTEC oil galley. It's actually right here. So that guy goes in there, but that O-ring is pretty smashed. That O-ring is pretty smashed, so I'm gonna order a new one of those from Honda, and then I am gonna order just brand new main bolts. So I'm only going for, you know, maybe 450, 500 horse. So as soon as I make a little bit of leeway, once I get my block back or whatever, I'll do a video on gapping the rings or cleaning the block, getting it ready for paint, so on and so forth. So, but if you like this video, comment, leave a thumbs up, subscribe.